You know what? I'm waiting for the housing market to drop before I proceed with buying a home. That's a question we've been getting a lot from a lot of potential clients. I'm going to share with you guys 3 quick reasons why I think we won't experience the housing market drop similar to what happened in 2008 and 2009. My first reason is that home inventory levels are super low. And it's a simple concept of supply and demand. The more supply, the less the demand, the less the prices are for that particular product. The lower the supply, the higher the demand, the higher the prices are for that product. So right now in the housing market, in a lot of areas, the supply is super low. Inventory is super low compared to historically national levels. And so with the inventory being low and more people are in the market to buy, it's going to be hard to drive prices down in this type of climate. So it's still very much a seller's market. And with sellers putting their properties on the market and within a couple days getting multiple offers, that's going to really stunt any value declines that could potentially happen. Reason number 2, lenders now are super proactive about offering more loss mitigation strategies. What I mean by that is when the CARES Act was passed a couple months ago to help stimulate the economy, one of the provisions were for current homeowners to be offered forbearances if they aren't able to make their housing payments due to COVID-19. And so if a buyer they don't even have to qualify. You can actually just request for a forbearance and the lender will automatically place you in this option. And what that means is you get a payment reprieve, or you don't have to make payments on your mortgage. And the period is usually from 3 to 12 months, depending on a particular lender or servicer. So with the lenders proactively putting pauses on payments and not reporting those payments as late if they were current before they started the forbearance, that's going to put a halt on any homes going into foreclosure, which was a huge fuel that led to the downturn in the economy back in 08-09. So with the lack of homes going into foreclosure, that again is another reason why I don't see values dropping significantly in the housing market. And lenders will also offer more options. Say at the end of your forbearance period, if you can't afford the home, then they're going to offer you other loss mitigation options, such as maybe a home modification. Maybe they take all of the delinquent payments and wrap it at the end of the loan and redo the loan and give you a fresh start. So with that, again, I don't see a lot of homes going through the foreclosure route, which again was a big catalyst for our last recession. All right. And reason number 3 why I don't think we're going to see this huge housing drop in prices is due to the amount of equity in homes right now. Home equity levels are at an all-time high. And so if you've owned a home over the past, maybe say 3 to 5 years, and you haven't refinanced, you've probably seen a significant amount of appreciation in your property. In some markets, it's been up to 40-50% of appreciation. So if you bought a home for, say, $150,000 3 or 4 years ago, maybe it's worth $225,000, $230,000 right now, depending on the market. So if a buyer does, or a homeowner does run into the instance of not having the ability to pay their mortgage and they exhaust all loss mitigation options with their current lender, then they can always just sell the property, take the cash, take the equity, and restart. Hey, go rent somewhere that's a lot cheaper, but you have cash in your pocket. So again, I don't think that's going to drive down the prices enough to make this significant impact in value reduction. So I just wanted to make this quick video to share with you guys a couple of my thoughts on why I don't foresee this huge housing decline akin to what happened in the 08-09 recession. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you are a real estate professional and you think otherwise, I would love to hear your reasons why. If you're a homeowner or a potential homeowner, someone looking to purchase a home, and you're waiting, I would love to hear what your reasons why, like, what statistics or what theories you have out there that could be backing up your claim. So again, these are just my reasons. This is just my opinion from my vantage point. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us. We're here to help you either qualify for a home purchase or try to get you refinanced. We're licensed in Florida, and I'll make sure all of our contact information is in the description. Thanks, guys, for listening. Have a great day. Peace.